So what I'm trying to tell you is everything is given here. Okay, pile diameter is given. Okay, and what else is given? Phi is given, unit weight is given, k is given, directly tan delta is given. Okay, depth also given. So critical depth first we have to find out. That means this is 8 meters suppose. Okay, so critical depth is up to 3.6 only. Okay, up to 3.6. What happen, vertical stress will increase like this. After that vertical stress become constant. That's what I am trying to tell you. Okay, this is 3.6. Okay, and this is 4.4. Okay, up to end, and total is 8. Understand? So now critical depth you got it. Then what we have to do, maximum, this delta V is nothing but the vertical stress. Okay, vertical stress is 3.6 multiplied by unit weight of a soil. Okay, this is what the maximum value you can get it. Okay, after that it is constant, is the maximum value. Now substitute in this particular equation. Okay, so here what is that equations, how you find out? Now how to find out this nq? I told that we'll take from this fellow. Okay, again there is a uh, this fellow I told, we have to take nq value from this fellow. Okay, it is in the middle, Mehraf, Hanson and Virayes code. So this is more reliable, this is. So what was our this one? 35 was our this one, right? So this fellow come here. Then it would be somewhere 60. Okay, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Somewhere 60 approximately. So that's what the NC value they have taken as 60. NQ value. Okay, so here for ultimate bearing capacity, this is the equation. Okay, then what is that? This one, vertical stress multiplied by what is this, 60 NQ. What is this AP? AP is the pile diameter. Sorry, I'm not drawing properly. At the tip. Okay. So what is the area they have given? We convert into meter because we are taking everything into meter, right? Pi d square by 4. Okay, then k value is given 1. Okay, k value is given 1 here. Okay, so this whatever is there, what we have done is we have made it to 320. Okay, everything 320 now. Okay, up to here, this all 320. Okay, then k value is what, 1. What is this tan delta value is 0.7. Then what we have to do is the area of a stress diagram. That means this stress diagram, half into base is how much, 75, into height 3.6 plus half, plus this is rectangular. Okay, 75.6 multiplied by 4.4. Very simple. So this part, what you should remember is that's what we have derived it. Okay, if you, that's what I said that, like how do you remember? At the end, this equation comes, this at the tip plus area, or you can say this equation, pile diameter. Here is taken average. So where I have written here, this one, right? Area of the stress diagram into perimeter. Okay, so here what is happening is area is already we have taken it. Perimeter means surface. So this part talks about surface, and this part talks about the tip. That's what we have derived. Okay, at the tip and the surface. So surface area is equal to pi into d. What is d? 0.3. That's all. If you do it all these things, you will get an answer like 629. But what is asked? That is ultimate capacity. What it is asked? safe load. That means factor of safety, we have to divide it. 2.5 it is given. Then you will get it, this 259. Very simple, okay? So don't get panic with this. Now for second, now we'll try to solve this one. Determine the safe load pile for above example, okay? If the water table is rises 2 meters below the ground surface, that means here somewhere this is our stress, no, 2 meter water table is there. Sorry, reverse I am drawing. Water table is there. Okay, 2 meter. Then what will happen? This above 2 meter dry. This part is dry, okay? That's why 2 into 21. 21 is the unit weight 21, okay? And they have given this unit weight of water. How we have to do? The remaining 1.6, if you take 2 from the 3.6, remaining 1.6 multiplied by gamma dash we have to take, right? If you remember, submerge. This one stress. Once we get vertical stress, the remaining thing is everything is same, okay? Then if we do it quickly, okay? So stress diagram also, according to that, if you do it, you will get an answer. Here also safe they have asked, okay? So likewise we can solve. This is pi d square by 4 NC. Already this one you got it by using this formula, okay? By using this formula, and area you take it, and pi d you take it, and all, okay? Tan del alpha, you will get this answer. This is the story about the sandy soil. Now coming to the, suppose we have clay soil. So what are the formulas for clay soil? What we have seen, this is all sandy soil, okay? Dynamic formula. No, before that only we have clay soil. Yeah. So this clay soil, we got this formula, right? This formula we got it. CNC AP tip plus alpha. This is average cohesion, okay? So here, if you see this problem, a 30 centimeter diameter is given. Concrete pile is driven into homogeneous consolidated clay. Cu value is given. Cu. Alpha is given. If the embedded length is 10 meter, okay. So estimate the safe load taking factor of safety. This is our formula. Here C is 40. NC, we have to take NC 9. Why we have to take 9? I have explained you here. For a clay soil, generally n value varies from 6 to 9, and we have to take 9. Read this one. The values of NC depends on the D by B ratio, and it varies from 6 to 9. A value of NC 9 is generally used for a pile, so NC value we have to take 9. Okay, then what is the tip? Pi d square by 4. What is this? 9 0.7? It is alpha. What is this C bar? What is the C bar? It is the cohesion. Cohesion. Okay. So this is the pi. So second term always talks about the, first term talks about the tip. Okay. In both the formulas, sand or clay, whatever may be. Second term talks about this surface problem. Okay. For a clay soil, there will be cohesion. Average you have to take. Average in the sense, what you have to do is here, up to here it is okay, right? 0.7 alpha. The C bar, how you have to take? 40 we know it, cohesion. But where we have to take? Where we have to take? In that case, what we have to do is, this is pi d into 10. That means whole length it will come. 40, okay. This pi d periphery, okay. Then D, this 10 must be the length of a pile. Hope you are following. Pi d 40 into pi d whole length. Okay, whole length. It is in cylindrical form. Okay, so this second term is always on a surface. First term always would be at the tip. Second term will be here. So that's what we have seen in our both the problems. Okay, so first term, this is for sandy soil. That's how we have derived this one, tan phi and all. Okay, and always remember there are two things you have to remember. One is first term is at the tip. First term is at the tip. Second term is the surface. That's what we have seen. Okay, this is first term, and this is surface. So this whatever Q you are calculating depends on this both. If you remember this only one formula, that's more than enough for this particular whole pile chapter. Okay. So how to calculate QP, QS for clay soil and sandy soil? If you learn it, then you can get the ultimate load. That's what it is given here. Understood. So likewise, all the problems, if it is square foot, also what we have to do is again they take the area of a square and all these things has been done. And if it is, that's what the different problems may be given here. Just go through it. It's not difficult. What you do is you try to solve this problem as the assignment, as I said. And when is the deadline? 30th. Sharon, when is the deadline?
Sir, December 1, sir.
First, okay, so from
Yes,
second
sir.
you are. And fourth, we have our semester, right?
Yes, sir, fourth.
Fourth, we have our semester exam. What I'm trying, that carries 30 marks, okay? Semester. So what I'm thinking is, uh, uh, maybe 6 problem I will give 6 into 5. Okay. Do you want 3 questions also? 3 you can copy, right? Directly you can write it. Mostly I will avoid theory. Okay. And I will focus on piles, okay, because in internal exam we have not taken piles. Maybe 2 problem at least you will expect from the pile out of 6, okay, at least 2. So 5, 5, 10, okay. And rest of the problems, chapters, if we see, then so this is our course plan. So what we have done is deep foundation, piles, types, and so on, and all these things, dynamic formula, all things we have cleared. So, but at least you can expect uh, one problem from each chapter, okay? Or we can, yeah, we read it everything, okay? One problem, and maybe pile foundation you can expect 2 problems because we have not covered in the this one, okay? Because I'll be giving 2 hours to you, right? Final exam is 2 hours. So solving 6 problem is not a difficult thing. Okay, like last time you have done it. But try to read it. It's not very difficult. Okay. So as I said, pile chapter. If you remember this only one equation and how to calculate for sand and clay, if you remember, that's more than enough. Okay. Then similar problem I will give. You can use this chart. Okay, and approximate value you can take it and you will get an answer. So when you try to solve this problem, uh, this particular problem, I mean, then you will understand, okay, how to, anyway, answers are given here. It will match, okay. Generally, there won't be any mistake in the answers, okay. you can go, there may be mistake from your side only. So you try to solve this problem and try to solve on your own, okay? Don't copy. When you are not able to do it, then copy, okay? So that is also allowed for you. So with that, I think we have done with our whole syllabus, and I think I will look into it, your assignments. Okay, then I will correct it. This would be fourth assignment, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So first you have submitted. Anyway, some dates are there. Those who are for late submission. Uh, Second, third, fourth. So this all four carries the 30 marks. Okay. So maximum marks you will get it in assignment if you submit it. So that is for 30 marks. And in the second assessment you have scored well only, there is no problem at all. Then we have 30 marks for your exams, and you can expect one question from each chapter. And as I said, I'll give more focus on the files, and I can skip one two chapter also. That is, we'll see, because if I'm not getting good questions where where it stops you for copying, so giving theory questions may not be good. Okay, so problematic. If I give all 6 problems, you can score well. Okay, 30 out of 30 you can score if you get an answer. So that is the advantage for you also. Okay, so anyway, this is the pattern, and I will look into this assignment, and then I will assign marks to you. Okay, so anything else, Sharon? Shall we close it?
Yes, sir. So the end semester will be in MS Teams, no, sir? Sir, I think you are on mute.
Yeah, sorry. So this is what I have created. Okay, semester papers. Okay, here you just upload it. Then what I will do is I will download it and I'll correct it. Okay, so semester paper you can, here where we have created. Okay, semester papers. Here you upload it, and I will download it, and again I will correct it. I will keep it, and I'll assign marks. Here only I will upload the question paper somewhere. Okay, so in the semester here itself I can upload a question paper on the surface also. Okay, that day we will see. I think exam it at 12 o'clock. Why they kept 12 o'clock?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Like we can have it earlier also, not an issue, sir. I don't think it will be a problem.
No, 12 means you will have 12 only. That would be better.
Sir, and like if we create a folder like this, sometimes people accidentally delete the answer sheets, like uploaded answer scripts. So instead, like if you start an assignment, you will submit it there.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
There is chance of copying like that you are telling, right?
No, sir. But I accidentally they delete it.
Accidentally they?
Delete it. Like while uploading their answer script or something, someone else answer sheet gets deleted. So and then there's a confusion, like whether submitted or not or what happened, like that.
So what we'll do is any methodology how we can should I assign my
Yes, sir.
ID?
One thing is you can assign an assignment where we can upload, or else you can share a Google form kind of thing where we can upload the answer script in it. Like in the form itself, we can upload the PDF, so
No,
that you will have a list of links. You can just click and you can get the answer script of each person with their roll number by the side, like that.
I didn't get it. That is for multiple choice. No, how we'll have this kind
No,
of.
sir. In Google Form itself, sorry, in MS Forms itself, you have an option to where we can upload the scripts, PDF files.
Okay, that other cannot see that one.
Like if we upload in that, no, they can't see, sir.
No, no, where is that option? Anyway, I'll check with my research scholar. I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Or I will give my research scholar's email ID. Like how you have done last time.
So last time we uploaded it in the Teams only, sir.
MS Team only we have uploaded.
Yes, sir.
Do you
For some
remember?
other subject, we had that problem, sir. In assignments, when uploading assignments, some people said in the end when the marks came, so they had assignment scores 0. So then they realized that someone had accidentally deleted their assignments.
But here nothing is. No, all assignments are there with me now. I'm not touching your assignment. No.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No.
Like if it's comfortable, then it's fine.
No.
If
No.
we have problem, we can deal with it later. Also,
No.
no
No.
problem, sir.
Assignment there is no problem here. Whatever is there, uh, you have to check it and whether your assignment there or not, you have to check it yourself. Okay. So whatever maybe after first I will start correcting it. Okay. Just I will see. So all assignment if it is there fine, but some people don't submit. No. If everyone submitted, there is no problem. So you have to check yourself. There is no problem. Then that would be see. Look at now this guy. Okay, submitted late. Suppose so that some marks we can delete. Okay. So final exam. Wait a minute. I'll getting a call. Okay, anything else? So anyway, that day we'll decide it. Either through email, you have to 63. What about that guy Hemant Chaudhary is there? Whether Hemant Chaudhary is there in the class? Sharan?
So I think he's not here, sir. I'll talk to him. Because
You ask him.
he's in the class, but
Oh, his name was not there. So 1 minute, let me check it whether yesterday I have emailed and we need to check everyone's name is there or not. His name is not there here. Okay, out of 63. Okay, we'll meet. Okay, bye.
yes, sir.